Good afternoon, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a little underside video for you guys on our 1970 Porsche 914-6. I buzzed the wheels off again, and now we can get back in here in some of the nooks and crannies and show you guys what we're dealing with, which is a pretty darn clean underside. As you might expect, there's a lot of undercoating on this car, but I don't see a lot of rust damage. Sorry, this light gets a little too bright and not bright enough, but I think you're gonna get the idea. I'm really impressed with the originality of this car. We have got stacks of receipts. So if they are not shown in the gallery, I have them. I have so many receipts, I don't even think we could put them all in. But what I'll do is I'll make another video. Going over those books and kind of the provenance of this car. It's a local Portland car, sold new here, and serviced by some of the best that I've ever had shops in Portland. Some long gone, but some still here. I'll do some from the motor top side too. Something there. Did I get this one? And there you go, guys. I'm happy to take additional pictures or do videos and get right down to whatever you want to see with this car. And just let us know what you'd like to see, and I'll get on it. Thanks again.